This is Clean and Decorate with me and my 6 kids. My kids are out of school, so we're gonna get the holidays started cleaning and decorating for the holidays. It was a little stressful, okay? I still filmed it for you guys, but if you want a little bit more of a polished clean and decorate with me, that is in part 2, just mama decorating. Filling in the gaps, a little bit less stressful and more peaceful, but you know, 'tis the season when you have a big family with 6 kids. Trying to get them to jump in and decorate as much as possible. We did have some really sweet moments, even my teens. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for part 2 of just mom filling in the gaps in part 2. Okay, see you there. Wait, be careful, okay? Big girls, where's Gigi? Let's take out all the stockings, but careful, there's precious breakable things inside. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take everything and we're gonna put it on the counter in the kitchen, and then we're gonna decide what space is gonna have what, okay? Look, we do have a countdown, so we can put this out somewhere. I don't know where yet, but we'll figure it out.
What's it go?
Oh, it's our stockings. It's our stockings. So you can, Zaya, why don't you take the stockings and just put them on the couch for now? And then everybody put the decor on the countertop and we'll decide where it's gonna go. I'm starting a tradition where we're gonna do a little village here. This is the first piece that I got. It's plastic, but all the rest of them I'm gonna get like, I don't know, porcelain or whatever you call it. But the reason why I got this one is because this one is musical. So cute, and it has 2025, so I thought it was very fitting to get this for the very first piece. I found this at TJ Maxx for only $12.99. It's not musical, but it's cute, it's porcelain, it's heavy, and it does light up, and I want all of them to light up. So every year I'm going to get another one and we're gonna add to the space. We're gonna do snow here with the kids. After I separate the couch, put the tree up. I'm gonna let the kids decorate this tree like 90s fun, nostalgic vibe. All the memories that I had as a little girl. We already got ornaments and things like that over there. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna fold laundry. We're gonna go about the day as soon as my kids stop fighting outstairs. We've got a hair station going on. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Daddy already delivered donuts this morning. We're gonna save 1 for mom for later and 2 for daddy for later. Kids already had theirs. I want this space to be like more of a traditional hand-me-down, nostalgic from my grandparents. All this nativity scenes, there's actually 3 nativity scenes. I decided to put the most precious one away and not put it out. I will display it somewhere in my room high up, but I don't want kids anywhere near it. So we have like a larger display up here. The manger is empty. Baby Jesus will not go into a Christmas Eve. And then we have a smaller one. I'm gonna rearrange this a little bit better because we've got wise men, Mary and Joseph, the baby, and angels. We'll put that somewhere else. But this is gonna be my collection of Santas that are from my grandma. There are a couple more that I need to make repairs and then I will put it up. I think I'm gonna do like a candle here. And then I wanted to keep this kind of clear because we'll mostly put like Christmas desserts or appetizers on here when we have our Christmas dinner. I'm gonna clean up this table real quick and then we're gonna get to working on the Christmas village and the living room area that is going to be a little bit more fun. Ornaments right now. Okay, so let's clean up all the other things so we can have lunch.
Can you give Ryan for lunch?
Are you guys done putting these on the tree or you still need to put these?
I think we're done.
I think, okay, any ornaments that you still want, maybe the big kids to put on the tree, put in here. Let's get everything off the floor. If they keep falling, let's put it in here.